Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I am Dr Yasir Shamoon. Today I am talking about the skeletons. And first of all, we see definition of the skeleton. What is skeleton? Basically, skeleton is the framework. Okay, skeleton is the framework of bone and cartilage. Basically, skeleton is the framework of bone and cartilage. That function of the skeleton basically that protect the soft tissue and internal organ of body. Okay, so basically what is skeleton? Skeleton is a framework of bone and cartilage that protect the soft bone, soft tissue and internal organ of the body, like heart, like lungs, like kidney. Okay, so now discuss about the basically types of skeleton. So basically the types of skeleton, there are two types. Basically there are two types of skeleton. There are two types. Okay, there are two types of skeleton: appendicular and axial. Discuss about the appendicular skeleton and parts of the appendicular skeleton and axial skeleton. Okay, of skeleton: appendicular and axial. Okay, appendicular, those skeleton that has edge of the body and out of the axis of the body, but these skeleton are surviving the axis of the body. Okay, now appendicular skeleton, composition of appendicular skeleton, parts of the appendicular skeleton. Basically 4 parts of the appendicular skeleton. Okay, 4 parts of appendicular skeleton. First part is upper limb. Second is lower limb. Okay, lower limb. And 2, pectoral girdle. Okay, and 1 is pelvic girdle. Okay, this is the basically parts of appendicular skeleton. 4 parts of appendicular skeleton: upper limb, lower limb, pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Okay, now I am discussing about the axial skeleton, basically parts of axial skeleton. So basically parts of axial skeleton. In axial skeleton, basically also 4 parts. Okay, and the composition of axial skeleton is the 4 parts. First is head. Other is neck. Okay, and chest, and last is back. Okay, one thing is, remember how many bones in appendicular skeleton and how many bones exist in axial skeleton. Basically in appendicular skeleton 126 bones are present in appendicular skeleton. 126. Okay, 126 bones. 126. And 18 bones are included axial skeleton. So in upper limb, lower limb and pectoral girdle, and also including 4 parts. There is 4 parts, and also axial skeleton have a 4 parts. Now I am discuss about the basically appendicular skeleton. Now I'll later discuss about the axial skeleton. Okay. Now I'm discussing about the appendicular skeletons. Appendicular skeleton. Okay. Appendicular skeleton. Now I am discussing about the basically appendicular skeleton. 4 parts of appendicular skeleton. You know, I told 4 parts: upper limb, upper limbs, lower limbs, and 2 is pectoral girdle, okay, and pelvic girdle. Out of 4 parts, now I am basically discuss about the first part, means that upper limb. Now I am discuss about the upper limb. Okay, upper limb. Yes, now I am discuss about the upper limb and parts of upper limb. Bones, how many bones in upper limb? Okay, yes, upper limb. Clavicle and scapula not included in upper limb, but now I am discuss about the clavicle and scapula also with the upper limb. Okay, and now first is clavicle, second is scapula, third is humerus, fourth is radius. Okay, radius, ulna, carpal bones, also called wrist bone, and metacarpals, also metacarpals, yes, metacarpals bone, metacarpal, and last is flanges. Okay, flanges. Okay, how many clavicles in upper limbs? Basically 2. One is one side, one is other side, basically 2. Okay, 2. And how many scapulas? Also 2. Okay, 2. And humerus also 2. Radius is also 2. Ulna is also 2. Okay, one is 1 and one is basically 8 in one hand and 8 in other hand. Total 16 carpals. 16. Okay, and metacarpals is 10. 5 is one hand and 5 is other hand. 10. Okay, and flanges 14 in one hand to 28. Okay, so basically this is the composition of the upper limb: clavicle, scapula, humerus, radius, ulna, and wrist also, and flanges also included in the upper limb. Okay, upper limb. So about this, and out of this, first I am discuss about the first part, means that clavicles. Okay, clavicle. Now I am discuss about the clavicle basically. Okay, now I am discuss about the clavicles. First meaning of clavicles: in Latin language use word key. Why? Because it rotate around the axis during the abductions. That's why it's called key in Latin language. Okay, now location of clavicle. Clavicle basically it is present between the sternum and the scapula. Between sternum and scapula. Okay, yes, location of the clavicle in body, it is present between the sternum and the scapula. This is clavicle. Okay, and other location. And now recognition of the recognition of the clavicles. Recognition okay, recognition of the clavicles. First is clavicle is a S bone, S shape. Its shape is S shape bone, S shape bone, S shape bone. Second is a collar bone, Third is beauty bone. Third is here is beauty bone. Okay. Fourth is the most fracture bone in our body, most fracture bone in our body. And last is first bone is present horizontally in body. First bone in our skeleton that is present horizontally. And last is first bone that attach your upper limb, your upper limb to thoracic region or chest region. So basically this is all about the clavicle. Meaning of clavicle is key. Why key? Because it rotate around the axis during the abduction. And location, it is present between the sternum and the scapula. Recognition of clavicle is S bone, collar bone, beauty bone, most fracture bone, horizontally present and attach your upper limb to the thoracic region. And so I discuss about the muscles of the clavicle in next video, inshallah. So okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe this video, and thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.